Hey friends, as you can see, this is not the ordinary situation. I'm holding this TV right now because my wall plugs gave out on me. As you can see right here, everything got pulled out of the wall and this TV is not mounted anymore. But luckily, nothing broke, everything is okay. I managed to catch it in time. I guess my kids played with moving this TV left and right a little bit more than they should, and also I didn't place the right wall plugs in these holes. This TV has been mounted for 5 years already and my kids move it all the time, left, right, left, right. When you pull TV out and move it sideways, the weight of TV multiplies and the screws experience sideways force and pulling force. Instead of only holding the TV weight down, the anchors are constantly being pulled outward from the wall. And this is the main reason why wall plugs fail. So we need to find a better way of how to fix these wall plugs in these holes right here. And there's a couple of ways to do it. Now first, you have to make sure you are using the right wall plug for the job. I have a very nice video right here where I explain the difference between 3 different wall plugs and which to use when, but in our case we want to use concrete wall plugs. These concrete wall plugs are much stronger and durable for this sideway and pulling force, and we can make them even stronger with a few tricks. Just placing a new wall plug into existing hole won't work, as this hole is already enlarged by all plugs moving left and right. Now we will fix this wall plug into existing hole by using 3 different options. The first one is using a simple toothpick. What I'm doing here is filling the extra space in the hole. The toothpick acts like wedges that press the wall plug tightly against the wall so it can grip again. You basically recreate a tight hole without drilling a new one. If you don't have a toothpick, you can use a solid electrical wire to do the same job. Place the wire between the wall plug and the wall hole. The wire acts like a shim, pressing the plug firmly against the wall. Now, this works great for these 2 lower plugs because they suffer less force than the upper plugs. For the upper plugs, we need something a little bit more stronger, and that's why right here I have this chemical anchor for concrete walls. This is basically a liquid concrete that tightens up after some time. I like to apply a nice amount of this chemical anchor in the hole. Place the wall plug in there and remove everything that comes out. Now the tricky part right here is that you have to wait for a couple of hours for this anchor to stiffen, or you can use a fan to speed up the process. The most important note is to have these 2 upper plugs fixed as tight as possible because they will suffer the biggest sideway force and the biggest pulling force, and this is where this chemical anchor will do a great job. I have it linked down in the description below, so check it out. Now, once everything is dried out, mount your TV holder back on and you are good to go. This solution right here will be able to hold this TV, well, probably for the next 20 years easily. The only thing left to do is to mount the TV back on this bracket right here, but that is relatively easy to do, right? If you want to see how I chose the right wall plug for the job, then check out this video right here. You really don't want something like this to happen to you, so choose the right tool for the job all the way from the start. Thank you guys for watching this video with me, and I will see you in the next one. Ciao!